Hi guys and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. I realize this is really late. I apologize. I was really scattered in June. I didn't really know if I was coming or going, and I had some stuff that ended up being sent to my house, some stuff that ended up being sent to my parents' house. I went on a road trip. I was moving stuff, and it's been a lot. So, yes, I realize that this is going up in July, so I apologize. I hope you still are watching. If you are, thank you so much for watching. I have my Walmart for spring and my Walmart for summer because they always screw those up. And then I have my Ipsy and my Macy's for June. We're going to get into it. I did cancel my Ipsy right now. I'm filming this the last day of the month, so I might renew it. I want to do monthly for right now. I do not have $150 to do a year subscription right at the moment. So that's why I canceled it, and I'm hoping to, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Macy's will still be coming next month though. I can tell you that for sure. Let's start with Macy's. Speaking of Macy's, so they now have this that you have to scan a barcode or a QR code. You don't get a little booklet anymore, which I don't like because I like having that booklet. And you do have a 10 off of 40 coupon with this one, which is pretty nice. So you're going to see what's in here. I have no idea what the values are because I film on my phone, so I'm not going to be able to pull those up. First in here is a Lancome Idol Ultra Precise Waterproof Liner. I will be passing that along because I don't use eyeliners. Then I have, what are these? I don't know what this is. It has no wording on it. And forgive my nails. I need to paint them. They are peeling like crazy. Ugh, I hate it. So, no shine, no problem. So I guess these are blotting papers. I probably won't use these because I have blotting papers that are 10, 15 years old that I still haven't used. They're just like sitting in their little thing. I don't think they can go bad, but we will pass those along too because I'd rather somebody else get some use out of it. Max Fix Plus Stay Over Alcohol Free Long Lasting Setting Spray. Is this... Oh, okay, I will try this. I hate the sprayer on the regular Fix Plus, so we'll give this one a go. Yeah, I will use setting spray. I use setting spray on a regular basis. Next up is from Smashbox. This is the Photo Finish Control Mattifying Primer. Okay, yeah, I'll probably give that a try. I've been having issues with primer lately. I don't know. Well, the perfume just fell out. So, anyway, what I was saying is I've been having issues with primers lately. Like, they seem to be not helping that much, and it doesn't help. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, the perfume is Irresistible by Givenchy. It is the Rose Velvet version. I'm not the biggest fan of that one, but it's somewhere. I think it's probably under the couch. Then I have from Clarins, this is a lip comfort oil. That sounds nice. I will probably use that. This is in the shade Honey. Yeah, that's okay. That's nice. And then the last thing in here is from This is the Superhero Waterproof Mascara, so I will use that. Okay, let's take a look really fast. We have a primer, that's fine. We have the perfume, that's fine. The blottering papers, instead of a bag, I would rather have a makeup bag. Then the eyeliner, I don't use eyeliner, so yeah. The lip oil, that's okay. This is kind of boring. Like, there's nothing exciting in here, to be honest. Yeah, so MAC, and I'm keeping over half of it, so that's better than nothing, but still, I think it could be a better box, a little bit more exciting. All right, let's look at Ipsy. But before we look at Ipsy, I did redeem points for this. This is Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes. It has witch hazel in it. So picked up those because I had points to spend that. I don't know. Ipsy was doing some weird things. I had points that said they weren't going to expire till May, and then they expired early, and I don't even know what happened. And then they were like, oh, well, they were, and I said, but they should have still been there. So anyway, was trying to get my points before they expired again. I got this bag. It says love on it like that. I like the colors. Pink is my favorite color, so happy about that. I did get a card with the items. I did notice that because I just stuck it in there because it was separate. The first thing in here we are pulling out is a Wing Me eyeshadow brush. This is a small shading brush, retails for $10. I don't really like that. That's just weird. So I will probably pass that along. Then we have a dual-ended, it looks like an eyeliner. This is the Formula Z. Retails for $23. It is in Sky and Emerald. I just never use eyeliner. I have so many eyeliners that are years old that I really should get rid of, but I never use them. I should. Maybe I should start trying to use them more in the summer. Then we have from the Balm, this is the full size retails for $14.50. This is 0.16 or 5 ml, and the full size is 11.8 ml. And this is a concealer. This might be too dark. I don't want to get it on my finger, so we're just gonna... Yeah, it's too dark. That is not a good shade for me. So I will be passing that one along too. So far, 0 for 3. Then we have from Kinship, this is what I chose. This is the Self Smooth 10% Glycolic Resurfacing Serum. This retails for $30 for a full size. Full size is 2.2 ounces, and this is 0.2 ounces. So there we go. We'll be using that. I love serums. Then the last thing in here is from Philosophy. This is the Micro Delivery Exfoliating Daily Facial Wash. Full size of 8 ounces is $30, but I usually get this on sale around Black Friday for half price. I don't know why I'm smelling it. Don't ask me what I'm doing. So I will be keeping 2 of the items, the 2 skincare, and the other 3 I'm passing along. So this was a disappointing Ipsy. Not making me want to stay Ipsy, but also making me want to stay because I have FOMO and I like getting the little surprise every month. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the Walmart. This is the spring box, and this is variation 14. I was charged $700 for this box. Well, 100 of this box to be exact. And then they did eventually reverse it, but I had to borrow money from my parents because luckily their mortgage was not due until later in the month. Otherwise, I would have been screwed because I would have had overdrafts and stuff. So, because I did not have $700 in my bank account. I don't think a lot of people who get Walmart are probably sitting around with hundreds of dollars in their bank account. I know mine comes in and then it goes out to pay bills almost immediately. So anyway, this is what it is. I think I'm going to be canceling it after this. They were supposed to send me a $100 gift card. I never found it. I contacted them. They said that they sent it and to check my spam folder. And I said, but I told you I'd been checking it. And it would have been erased anyway because the email I have for this is a Hotmail address. And yeah, they only keep it for 10 days. So anyway, there we go. That's where we are. So first up we have from Mark Anthony. This is the Repair Bond and Resculpt Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment for all hair types. I will definitely use that. Do we have this on here? Retails for $8.47. That's not bad for a full size. Then we have a Kristen S dry shampoo. I will be passing that along. I hate dry shampoo. $14.97 for a full size. I didn't realize Walmart was carrying Kristen S now. I know Target has been, and Costco as well. CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. Very, very boring. It retails for $12.47. I mean, I will use it. It's not exciting though. Then we have a Neutrogena Hydrating Cleansing Gel. Why am I getting 2 cleansers? This retails for $8.99. I have tried this. Influencer sent me a bottle of it to try. It was fine. Then we have Kiss Nails. This is retails for $7.97, so this is considered a full size. You can tell I don't do a lot with my nails, and I feel like with the way my nails are peeling, these probably wouldn't be a good idea either, so we're passing that along. Then I have a Rock the Rainbow. It's Sunny Honey. I actually wore this yesterday. I love the scent. I do own all of the Juicy Couture fragrances. So yes, do have this one. Does not have a price listed here, but yes, I would recommend this, and I will definitely wear that. The last thing in here is a serum moisturizer primer for fair, light, medium, and deep skin tones. So you have 4 of them here. I think I'm just going to pass those along. I don't need to try any more primers, and I'd rather just give that to somebody altogether. Does that have that? They retail for $14.98 each. So there we go. With Walmart, I'm keeping 2 cleansers, woohoo, a perfume sample, and a leave-in conditioner. Still pretty boring. Let's see if summer Walmart can redeem, and if this will make me want to stay subscribed. These are $6.98 a month. The other 2 are basically $15 a month, I should say, or $6.98 a quarter. But yeah, Ipsy is technically $13 plus $1.99 shipping or handling fee. Macy's $15 a month. So this one feels lighter. We pull out the little card here. First up, we have a Maybelline The Falsies Surreal Mascara. We'll try that. Does this have... Nope. Not listed here. Then we have a Sally Hansen Pro Brush Kit. So they're little brushes for your nail art. That's kind of cool. I probably will keep that. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but it's cool. Does that have a price? That retails for $10.30, so that is a full size. This is also, looks like a full size. This is the number 7 face serum. It says product will vary. This is the Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum. Definitely will use that. Retails between $20 and $25. Okay. Then we have a Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss by CoverGirl. This also looks like a full size. It retails for $7.98. That's a pretty color. Do I want... I don't need any more lip glosses. We're going to try it. We're going to smell it. It smells like strawberry jam. It smells so good. Oh. I don't have a mirror. Okay, that smells so good. Obviously, I'm keeping that one since I did that. And then the last item in here is the Physicians Butter Bronzer. This retails for $15.99 for a full size. Have I tried the full size butter bronzer? I know I have the blushes. I've tried the blushes. Will I be able to smell this over the lip gloss? Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. So we have that. $15.99 for full size. This might be a first. I'm keeping everything in my Walmart beauty box. I will use the bronzer. I didn't used to use bronzer, but I definitely will use bronzer. Once again, a full size serum. Yes, thank you. That's awesome. This lip gloss is not something I normally would go for, but oh my gosh, I really fun. Really enjoy the scent. Mascara. I will always try a new mascara. And then the little brushes. So dang, yeah. Good job, Walmart. You won it all. Am I still mad at you for charging me $700? Yes. Will I get it over it anytime soon? Probably not, but I will give you another chance in the fall, so don't disappoint. And we'll give Ipsy, I'm going to go do Ipsy, renew it for 1 month. We'll see. Anyway, let me know what you've been getting in your Ipsy, your Walmart, your Macy's. Let me know what you subscribe to, what you think of what I got. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.